This is the part 2 of being happy. How to be happy. So, as in the previous one, I was telling more about take on a piece of paper and start writing the points which will make you happier. So, from my observation or finding, which I have found is like 75% of the points which were being mentioned on the paper, these are related to, or those pointers were related to materialistic comfort, and remaining 25% only were related to like acquiring some skills, learning something new, earning something, reaching to the next level pointers. But trust me, like those materialistic pointers, after a certain period of time, won't hold good and won't feel you better, won't make you a better person. Okay, and this basically happens only when like you are continuously trying to get materialistic comfort. Like if I get a mobile phone, iPhone or MacBook, I will be much happier. But research have proved that after certain weeks of daily usage of those products, our mindset again goes back to the previous story of becoming unhappy, becoming something, you can say, not feeling that happiness within ourselves. So you can compile the longest list and you will keep on seeing that the number of inventory in your paper is continuously keep on growing every single day. But just think for a while, sit comfortably and think for a while whether our happiness grows by that. Every day it is just you are instigating fire, like you are instigating your thoughts, materialistic thoughts, to make you much happier. But in real world it is not going to help you in any way, I am telling you. So try to find which pleases you from within. Be your own person. At any time, no matter what or how successfully you accomplish things in your life or you become, you will be undermining your happiness by reciting those pointers which you were unable to fill. This is going to happen for sure, because you are happier. You feel that unless I get those pointers in my life, I will be much happier. So please don't do that. Please don't make your happiness a messier thing. Know your faults, but don't allow their existence to become an excuse for not loving yourself just the way you are. So I keep telling everyone, like, knowing that my best can only come from me and I accept myself as I am. So be your own person. Happiness is something like, as I have said you, it is a state of mind. People who say that they cannot be their own or they can get new things and then only they will become happy, this is a completely wrong notion, like which I never encourage. And during my younger days, though I am still young, but during my younger days, maybe in my late 20s and 30s, I used to keep seeing or keep thinking that if I buy watches, if I, because I am a completely gadget freak guy, if I acquire a digital camera, if I buy a SLR, it will make me more happier. But after acquiring them also, like after a certain usage, point of usage, I was not feeling that much happiness. Now, because with my age, the happiness factor, the discussion of happiness or the definition of happiness took a different turn. Okay, took a different turn. And that different turn, it has made me much wiser. I started relating to things not in a materialistic way. Whenever like I accomplish something, I always feel that yes, after a certain point of time with my hard work and sincere effort, I was able to do something. It is, I am happy within myself. I keep myself within. Like I am much happier. I have done something or I have learned something. But slowly I have realized that once I started developing new skills, once I started uh, making myself more open to new skills, new terminologies, it started giving me a booster. It started giving me a confidence that yes, with this new skill, my life has taken a dramatic turn and I am able to do something within myself. So, this is good, whatever I have achieved.